Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. This video is part of a series of videos I'm posting to try to help people out when it comes to aptitude tests like the civil service exam. Yesterday, I posted a video tutorial on how to solve yung equations with multiple operations. So, gagamitin natin yung technique ng PEMDAS. And if you haven't seen that video, I suggest that you watch it first. Up here, there should be an eye popping up. Click that first. Watch the lesson first before you even continue watching this. This video kasi is an explainer for the activity or the little problem that I posted kaninang lunchtime. Every day kasi I try my best to post at least one question sa Facebook page natin so you can practice using the concepts I taught na. And for today, it was this question right here. Ngayon, if you haven't seen that or if you're not yet part of Team Laika on Facebook, like this page, www.facebook.com/Team Laika. That is where you will find all the free resources that I have, as well as yung mga announcements ko for the upcoming review events and other special stuff like that. So if you also want to have extra practice, there is actually a post with free worksheets regarding PEMDAS on the website. It's www.teamlaika.com. You can go there to download all the free worksheets. Alright? So let's get started. This is the question for today. It's yung ating mahabang, maraming operation na sunod-sunod na puro 5 lang talaga. So 5 plus 5 divided by 5 plus 5 times 5 minus 5. Common mistake kasi na ginagawa ng mga tao dito is they solve it ng pahalang. So 5 plus 5 divided by 5, ganyan-ganyan. So ang nangyayari is if you do that, you will actually get the wrong answer. Kasi nga, ang concept natin is PEMDAS. Okay? Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. The only problem with this equation, kaya people can become careless, is because walang parenthesis. So my advice to you guys is to draw your own parentheses. Okay? Maglagay kayo ng sarili niyong parentheses para hindi kayo maguluhan. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Wala tayong parentheses na existing, wala tayong exponent, pero meron kayong multiplication and division, and you have to solve those first. So, ito ba uunahin ko? No, kasi addition yan. Ito, division siya, so uunahin ko siya, and what I'll do is, lalagyan ko siya ng parentheses. Even before starting out, titiran ko uli yung katabi, plus 5 siya, so hindi ko siya kailangang baguhin. Ito, times 5, so multiplication yon. Again, lalagyan ko siya ng parenthesis. Notice how sa labas or sa labas ng addition ko nilagay yung parenthesis. Huwag niyo ilalagay dito, sa side na to yung parenthesis, kasi mag-iiba yung sagot. Magiging multiplication na ng 5 times 5. So again, didikit yung number sa pinakamalapit na operation, okay, sa kanya, na mauuna. So, in this case, yung plus maiwan dyan, yung 5 papasok dito sa parenthesis natin. Subtraction to, so hindi din siya kasunod. So, the next thing we're going to do is, kokopyahin lang muna natin yung mga hindi gagalawin. Uunahin natin na sa parenthesis. 5 divided by 5 is 1 plus 5 times 5, which is 25 minus 5. Ngayon, ito, pare-pareho ng addition subtraction. Hindi na natin kailangan maglagay ng parenthesis. You can just solve it. So, you have 6 plus 25 minus 5, or 6 plus 20 na lang, or 26. Actually, when you get to this point, pwede nyo na ito i-mental math. Nilagay ko lang just so mas visual sa inyo, guys. Alright? So, again, ang tip ko for you today is this. Draw your own parentheses. Kung nakakita kayo ng equation na ganyan, huwag nyo nang basta isosolve yan ng tuloy-tuloy kasi you will find na magiging mali yung sagot ninyo. Okay? So again, 26 yung sagot natin. Buburahin ko lang yung mga ink natin dito so I can show you. Okay? Na mag-iiba ang sagot if you don't do it. Okay? So again, ang tamang answer is 26, right? Ito yung tamang sagot. If hindi nyo yan lalagyan ng parenthesis and babasahin nyo siya ng left to right, ang mangyayari sa inyo would be this. 5 plus 5 is 10, divided by 5 is 2, so naging 2 na siya, plus 5 is 7, times 5 is 35, minus 5 is 30. So your answer will be 30, which is going to be wrong. So again, always draw your own parentheses. Okay? The thing with itong klaseng tanong, order of operations, is you have to be careful. Ito actually yung mga tanong na bumabagal ako kasi if is-speed math nyo yan right away, there is a chance na magkakamali kayo. And pag nagkamali kayo, sayang yung time kasi uulitin nyo na naman sa simula. Hahanapin nyo kung saan kayo nagkamali. Magpapaikot-ikot kayo doon. So, the best way for you to solve this problem is to be careful and do it the right way. Okay? So, if you haven't seen the rest of the videos I already posted, click right here sa left and click right here sa right to subscribe para mapanood yung next video. Of course, click thumbs up if you enjoyed this video so I can, para ma-encourage naman ako to make more. And I hope that this helped you out. God bless, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see the next video, right? Bye for now. Aja, kaya niyan.